Hi, welcome to our pineapple bun episode.
Pineapple buns are a sweet pastry that's popular in Hong Kong.
There are two parts to pineapple buns.
One is the signature topping that you'll see us make in this video, and the other half is the soft bun below it. You can check out our shokupan video here for that process.
To make the dough for the topping, first, cream together the softened butter and powdered sugar. You will know it's ready when the color lightened and you will get a smooth consistency.
Next, beat an egg and add half of it to your mixture. Add the flour in batches as well.
You will notice we haven't mentioned any pineapple or pineapple juice in the ingredients, and that's because there isn't any.
The name pineapple bun probably comes from the finished look of the product. It has a slightly crunchy, cracked topping that resembles a pineapple.
This is the consistency you want when you're done. It's kind of like a soft cookie dough texture.
Next, roll your dough into logs, and you can choose to refrigerate them to firm them up and make it easier to work with in this next step. Here's the dough fresh out of the refrigerator and a little easier to work with.
Divide your topping by how many buns you want to cover. Today for us, it worked out to 25 grams of topping per bun.
Today we're only making 7 buns, so we'll freeze the extra topping we made for a future batch. Next, form rounds and roll them out thin enough to drape over your bun. Since this topping dough is so soft, a few tips that might help. Just be liberal with the flour here. And if you use a dough scraper, it makes it so much easier to work with such thin dough.
Here's another look at that process. Let your pineapple bun rise until doubled.
It's in this step that you'll see the distinctive pineapple pattern developing on the top.
Bake in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 15 minutes. And that's it.
They're delicious straight out of the oven like this. You can serve them warm. Or if you want more of a Hong Kong authentic texture, you could even wait until the next day. The top will get a little crumbly, and you can reheat it with a pat of butter inside.
We hope you have a chance to make this, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, we're signing off.